Mark Carney has been elected leader of Canada's Liberal Party in a months-long, high-stakes race to replace Justin Trudeau. While Carney will take over immediately as Liberal Party leader, Trudeau will remain as Canada's Prime Minister for an as-yet undisclosed transitional period while his successor settles in. One of the biggest issues in Carney's immediate inbox will be the country's souring relations with the United States. US President Donald Trump has repeatedly blamed Canada for illegal immigration into the US, threatened to turn Canada into a 51st state, and impose steep tariffs on Canadian imports, which the White House says is necessary to stem the flow of fentanyl over its borders. In his first remarks following the result of the vote, Carney referenced the tensions with the US, saying his government would create new trading relationships with reliable trading partners. He also vowed to keep retaliatory tariffs on the US until the Americans show us respect. New threats demand new ideas and a new plan, he told the Liberal Party convention on Sunday, slamming the Trump administration's tariff plans. Carney said of the US president, "He's attacking Canadian families, workers, and businesses, and we cannot let him succeed, and we won't." Carney will now face off with Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre, who has previously been compared to Trump but now seeks to distance himself from the US leader, reiterating at a press conference earlier this week that he is not MAGA.